We're here at Alton Towers and we're stopping in the Enchanted Village. Whoop, whoop. Where are we, Ev?
The Enchanted Village!
We're in the Enchanted Village! Woo. We're at Alton Towers, we're back, aren't we?
Yeah.
Just checked in there.
Yeah.
Got our keys, haven't you, Ev?
We have indeed.
All right. Well, shall we go down then?
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Well, first impressions, Ev. It's very nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's quite peaceful, isn't it?
It is.
We are here quite early, about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, aren't
Yeah, just gone 3 o'clock.
we? So you usually can check in by 3, so you should get a text message.
Yeah.
But with it being as busy as we can, we didn't get ours, did we?
We didn't know, but we just went to reception and they sorted it all out for
Yeah,
us.
literally 2 seconds, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Nice
really
and easy.
good.
Really good staff, aren't they, at the
Yeah,
moment?
fantastic.
Fantastic. Right, so 751.
Yeah, so 750 to 761 down here.
All
I
right.
assume it's going to be one of these then.
Yeah, that's not too far then, I suppose,
No,
is it?
it's not. It's massive, isn't it?
Oh, we've got our own little play area here.
I didn't realise it was going to be this big.
This is our party for tonight. We can have a party in here. 750. What would be the next one then, will we? 751, right. Shall we go check it out then?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, we're here, guys. A little peek. There's a little sneaky peek. We haven't been in yet. Look, the door's locked.
Yeah.
Oh,
Cute.
I know it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, we've got all the things here. Nice little area.
Oh, it's really cute, that is.
I mean, for how busy it's going to be, anyone could be here tonight, couldn't we? We could have Bianca over there. We could have the Nemesis Night Guard. That's where he could have stopped, couldn't
Yeah, John Wood, they could be in that one down there.
he? Yeah, Burton over there. We'll have a right disco, won't we? And the Enchanted Lodges. Right, shall we go see what it's like then?
Come on, then.
Come on then.
Oh,
Oh, behind the doors. Oh,
It's
wow.
nice and warm.
It is nice and warm.
Really warm.
Oh, it's boiling actually. Really warm.
Boiling.
Oh wow, so this is the first look, guys. Can we got any lights, first of all? Can we see any lights?
Somewhere, there's a...
This, there, maybe over there, Rev? It's a bit dark, isn't it? Oh, maybe there. There we go, guys. This is how long it takes to find the lights in the room. 30 seconds
I
literally.
know.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's really good, isn't it? So we've got a little, this is the bed. Lovely bed there, nice big pillow. Gonna lie down, Ev?
Yeah, that's comfy, to be fair.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
Good, very good. They're quite good, aren't they, to be honest,
they
actually.
are.
I assume that's a little cot or something in there, I didn't even know, guys.
Behind
Fun for
you.
kids, yeah, like a little bed thing, I assume.
Oh,
wow. Is this where you're sleeping, Ev?
No, you're sleeping in that.
I'm not sleeping in
Yeah,
here.
top bunk.
Oh, wow, it was a bit. There we go, guys.
Oh, there's a little...
Oh, you can see out there the sneaky window. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can see some other stuff out there. And it's not suitable for under 6. So that, I'm over 6, aren't
You're
I?
over 6.
Does that mean I can go
Well,
on
it
that?
does say children, so you
Wow,
might not
what's the
get away with
definition?
it.
What's the definition? Words are hard of a child.
Under the age of 18?
Yeah, well, I think I'm borderline that, aren't I? To be honest, let's not look at the ID. Right, should we have a look at the bathroom then, Ev?
Yeah.
Oh, right, very
Oh,
fancy.
that's bigger than I thought it was
Oh,
gonna
wow.
be.
Yeah, it is,
That's
isn't it?
nice, to be fair.
Got a lovely nice shower there for in the morning.
You can have a bath if you want
You
one.
could have a bath
It is
if you
a
want
little
one. It says little, but
But you
if
can
you
have
wanted
one
it.
if you wanted
You put
one.
your towels on that. But
Yeah.
I do like them things.
A nice big mirror so you can do your
Hey,
face.
we're here. Plenty of
Lots of
towels,
towels. And some little
toiletries.
pots, bath and shower gel. And shampoo.
Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? I'm assuming you can request more if you need them or
Yeah,
something.
I assume
Shavers
so.
there if you got your shaver and things.
So yeah, it's really cute.
It's really quite good, isn't it? I mean, it's not massive, is it, to be
No,
honest?
but it's a good size.
Most hotel rooms aren't that big anyway, are they?
No, it's a good size for a family though.
I would say it's a brilliant size for a family, to be honest. And for just us two, we're going to be loving it in here tonight, aren't we? Oh, dear guest, what have we got there, Ev?
Should I open it?
Yeah, that could be...
Dear guest.
That could be secret fast track tickets for secret prizes for Nemesis.
No, it's please find and close your hotel wristbands. These are to be worn to enter the theme park via Galactic Gate if accessing the theme park on the 16th or 17th of March 2024. You must also have a valid theme park ticket. Please ensure these are worn and have your tickets ready to be scanned for a quicker entry.
No, sounds so. Looks like we're going through the Galactica portal, doesn't it?
Yes.
It does
I don't
indeed.
know why it has number 5 on.
Because we had the 5th bears to stop in here. We've had polar bears, black bears, brown bears, panda bears, but now us bears. All the different
Oh,
kind
they've
of bears.
just given us 5.
Oh, wow.
I assume that's not correct.
I'm guessing not, no.
so...
Yeah, maybe not quite as much.
And then, dear guests, on the behalf of the entire resort team, I wanted to write to you to share my heartfelt thanks for choosing to spend the opening weekend of our 2024 season with us. It is a pleasure to have you as our guest. I hope that your stay will be nothing short of spectacular. As we embark on this new season, I want to assure you that our dedicated team is committed to ensuring your stay remains exceptional in every way possible. Looking ahead, I hope we have the opportunity to welcome you back to the resort over the coming weeks and months. I'm sure you will.
It's not going to be long, is it?
No. For now, I cannot wait to see you making memories and experiencing everything fantastical about Alton Towers Resort. Thank you once again for choosing to join us, and I wish you an unforgettable and enjoyable experience throughout your stay with us. Bianca?
Oh, Bianca's wrote us a letter. Well, she signed us a letter anyway.
Yeah.
And we've got a map
And we've got
with
a
a
map.
reborn on.
Yeah, that's really
Oh, that's really quite thoughtful, actually,
thick.
to
That
be
is
honest.
really thoughtful, to be fair.
Because it is going to be a busy weekend, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Wow. Oh, it's the new map, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow. So, look at that, guys. That is crazy, isn't it?
That is crazy.
That is madness.
Oh,
There it
they've put
is,
all the
reborn.
extra rides.
Yes,
names
they're
on
finally
now.
on. So we've got Curse there, we've got Wickerman, Congo River Rappy. Oh, they're all back. They're all here, aren't they?
Yeah, that's amazing.
Smiley does look a bit cartoony, to be honest, doesn't it?
It does. I think
quite
it looks
like
cool.
it though. If it's had them, it doesn't have them
I
yet.
really
I think
like
not.
it.
Doesn't look like that, does it?
No, it doesn't.
No. Yeah, very impressed.
Very impressed.
Yeah, I see you've got your hangers here. Oh, Buckley, you'll be happy. There you go. You can sort that out, can't you?
That you can take them with you.
Couple of plugs there.
Teas,
Couple of plugs
coffees,
there.
which is good. And then look at this little thing
what's
down here.
Is that what's in there?
I don't know. I don't think you can open it.
I don't know. Knock on. No one's answered.
No one's answered. How do you switch that light on now?
I don't know.
It's not one of these, is it?
Ah. So is that where the Enchanted Fairies live?
Yeah. Do you reckon a fairy's going to come out later?
Might do. We'll have to leave the camera on time lapse. You know,
Yeah.
like Santa Claus at Christmas Eve.
See if
we
the
can catch them.
fairies come.
Yeah, you never know, do you?
No.
No, very impressed with the room though.
Yeah, cute.
Yeah, it is,
Like
isn't it? And we've got breakfast in the morning, so we're going to show you that, guys. It's only going to be a short video, isn't
Yeah,
it? But
it is.
we'll have a little look around, see what we can find around the Enchanted Village.
Why not?
Yeah. We're just back in the room now, just having a little chill, and did notice that I've got some USB. I think there's some that side as well, haven't there?
Yeah, there is.
So that's pretty cool, to be honest, actually. Really, really good with that. Could do with some USB-Cs, I suppose, but they're quite new. We've only just come round to USB-Cs, haven't we?
We have, yeah.
And you did mention something, actually. There is a £5 deposit when you check in.
There is. So I never knew that. Obviously, they take it and then you get it back just as long as you don't damage anything.
But the way the guy explained it, he said it doesn't technically leave your bank as well, so I'm not too
It's
sure
like a
how it-
holding one.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I don't. Yeah, it says what it says. A lot of hotels do it, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, you have to give a credit card or something like that. So.
Yeah, and there is
Oh,
a
yes.
large inventory, so if you steal anything.
Yes, so make sure you do not steal or break any of the things in the lodges there, because that's a £500 tally.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I believe that one. But no, obviously you don't want to be damaging anything, and you will get charged for it anyway there, so.
Yeah, and then this is the person that cleaned our room.
So thank you,
And
Sal S.
You can give it into reception for them to get recognition, which I think
Oh,
is really
wow.
good.
I'm pretty impressed with our room, are you, Ev?
Yeah, I think it's very
So
good.
if we give that in, will Sal get a bit of recognition?
Yes, you are.
Well, she will do it on the internet as well. Well done, Sal. Thank you for sorting our room out. Whoop, whoop. Oh, guys, so we're all cuddled up and ready for bed. It's been a bit of a jump, guys. I do apologise.
Yeah, apologies about the no makeup or anything.
Same here. I haven't got my best face on.
No, I've got my pyjama face on.
But we're all in bed, we're ready, and we cannot wait, can we?
No, we
We're
can't.
so excited. So the Enchanted Village, what would you say so far?
It's been absolutely fantastic. We watched some videos before and they didn't have the best reviews, so I didn't know what to expect, but it's been absolutely brilliant. It's so massive, there's plenty of room, it's really clean, the staff have been absolutely on point.
Fantastic. Honestly, I mean, the staff are always brilliant at Alton Towers, aren't
Yeah,
they?
they are.
But they've at another level.
Yeah, they
already.
really have. They were fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely credit where it's due. Just a big shout out to Mike one of the staff members greeting people in the main hotel entrance.
Yeah, absolutely.
So Mike, credit where it's due. If you're watching this Alton Towers, give him a pay rise. Fantastic.
Definitely. And Claire from Roller Coaster Restaurant was absolutely
on point, wasn't she?
Yeah.
On point. She knew what she was doing. The banter we had with her,
Yeah,
fantastic.
it was so good.
Might not have seen that in this video, guys, but make sure you stay tuned to the channel. We've got so many Alton Towers videos, if not up or coming soon. Check them out. Check them out, because we're going to be here all the time. You're not going to miss anything from us, guys, are you?
No.
We are here all the time, so you'll see absolutely everything. But it's been brilliant, isn't it? We're going to breakfast in the morning.
Yes, at the Crooked
The Crooked Spoon. The Crooked Spoon.
Yep, 7:30, so it's an early start.
Yeah, nice early start, and then on to the beast. Ooh, I'm excited.
Me too.
But no, it's been brilliant. So we'll catch you all in the morning, guys. Whoop whoop. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, it's a bit of an early morning, isn't it?
God, it's so early. It's 7:30.
I know, we're going for breakfast. What's that about?
Yeah, we don't usually do breakfast.
Not this time of day anyway, are we? But it's literally, you've just seen us come out the cabin, guys, and it's there. That's how far we've got to go.
Yeah, can't
That's
complain.
all, is it? But it's Nemesis Day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm excited.
Me too.
Cannot wait. Right, shall we go have this breakfast then? Oh, so we're at the breakfast now, aren't we, Ed?
Yeah.
And look at this selection.
Going for it all.
Are you going for it all?
Yeah.
You've got sausage, bacon, hash browns, beans. Just working our way down here.
Yeah.
Tomatoes, mushrooms. Oh, you got pancakes and everything.
On Friday.
And fried eggs too. No full pork.
Yeah.
Fried eggs, none of the scrambled mush. That's just there next to it. But you can get Kellogg's and things, cornflakes and that. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Weetabix, selection of fruits, juices at the end. And you can get coffees just in the corner as well, can't you?
Yeah.
But
you
someone
can.
just using the machine, so I don't want to film with it. It's not fair, is it? But no, this is the breakfast, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really cool. I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, you ready for some food? I'm going to get mine now. There's your fresh mushrooms. Back at the table here, you get your knives and forks and all your condiments and things. But they've only got this rubbish HP brown sauce. What's that? Where's the red?
I'm not bothered about sauce.
It's all about the reds.
Nah.
Breakfast, lunch and tea.
Nah.
Breakfast complete. Did you enjoy your breakfast?
Yeah, it was really nice actually.
Yeah, mine was really nice, to be honest. Quite enjoyed it.
Me too.
All devoured now. Right, so we get packed up?
Yeah.
Let's go. We're all done, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we just did see someone did have red sauce, so I assume we just have to ask
Just
for it.
asked for it, yeah.
But for how busy it was just a second ago, it's very quiet now, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Grab a sausage, have quick. And we'll run away. Oh, so our stay is done, isn't it?
It is.
We're all ready to be checked out. There's no little pixies back here. No pixies. Right, shall we go ride Nemesis then,
I
shall
think
we?
we should, shouldn't we?
I think we should, shouldn't we? It's been a fantastic stay here though, hasn't it?
It
In
really
Enchanted Village.
has, yeah. Really enjoyed it.
I'd highly recommend it.
Me too.
Yeah, the breakfast, we only had a flying breakfast, to be honest. We're a bit busy, we're on the clock. But it was lovely.
Yeah, it was really nice to be fair.
Standard breakfast stuff,
Yeah.
the usual things, lovely stuff. But we have enjoyed our stay, we would recommend it, wouldn't we, to be honest?
We would indeed.
It's definitely worth it. And we paid about 160, which was technically cheaper than the Alton Towers Hotel.
Yeah, it
So
was.
keep your eyes out on the site, guys. There's always some bargains to be had. But if you like this one, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in another one soon.